Shalom, this is Yah is Magnified, and I'm back with another informative video. Today's video is titled, I'm Being Sued. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, hit that like button, guys. And also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And also, hit that notification bell so you all can be notified as I'm dropping these power videos. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so I received this threatening email that's on the screen, concerning a federal lawsuit from an individual who I made a video about, who goes by the name of the child support joke. Excuse me, my bad, I meant the child support goat, who's claiming that he actually received remedy in his court case. So after I exposed him for being the fraud that he is, so now he's sending me threatening emails concerning a federal lawsuit because he don't like the fact that I exposed this little secret and in fact that he's still on child support. So we're going to read over this email that he sent me, guys, because I'm over here shaking in my boots. Like, I'm terrified. I don't know what I'm going to do, man. I need help. It's like, nah, all jokes aside, guys, I want this guy to file a federal lawsuit against me so I can embarrass him even more. To further prove this, let's read his email to me this morning. Let's read it. It states, very top, federal lawsuit will be filed against you today for defamation of character. This idiot don't even know what defamation of character is. But let's continue. We're going to break everything down. So we're going to show you guys that he's going to lose. His case is already over before he even started. But I want him to do it anyways. So the moment he do it, I can file my countersuit and embarrass him even more. But let's continue. It states what? CS GOAT 2000. So you all know that's him. He titled it what? Notice to cease and desist. This guy's a clown, but let's continue. It states, Dear Yah's Magnified, I will be filing a federal lawsuit against you today for slander and defamation of character. Brother, you don't even know what slander and defamation of character is. It doesn't make any sense, guys. Like, I'm going to embarrass you in federal court. My name is on my YouTube channel. Go and get my name. You can get anything from me, and I want you to file it. I will personally receive service, and I'm going to file my response to you, and just be ready to get what I respond to you. Don't run now. I need you to file this federal lawsuit, brother. Please, please, I'm begging you, please file this federal lawsuit. Let's continue. It states, I'm writing to formally demand that you immediately cease and desist from using any videos or contents including my name, image, and any private legal matters related to me. This correspondence serves as your first and final warning regarding this matter. Oh man, I'm shaking in my boots, man. I'm shaking so bad that I'm making another video about you right now. So please do the lawsuit. But let's continue on to the next screenshot because it's so long. So let me screenshot it. I'm going to go to the next screenshot. Let's go there. Okay, guys. So this is the remaining portion of his email. Let's go over it. Let's continue reading it. And then after we finish reading his email, we're going to read my responses, okay? But let's continue. It states, Please be advised that my name is protected under copyright law, and any unauthorized use of my name constitutes a violation of my rights and may result in legal actions against you for infringement. The dissemination of such content not only violates my intellectual property rights, but also represents a serious invasion of my privacy. You will lose both of those arguments, brother. You're trying to bring sovereign citizen rhetoric against me in federal court, brother. I'm going to make a prime example out of you. I'm going to whoop your ass in federal court. It's not going to even be fun. It's going to be built to ass. And I'm going to make YouTube content about it the whole time. This is about to get surgical. It's going to get extremely dark for you, brother. Please file it. Let's continue on. It states, this notice serves to put you on formal notice that if you do not take down any videos or content pertaining to me within 3 hours from the time you have received this email, I will be filing a federal lawsuit against you today. Brother, you don't have to wait for 3 hours. You don't even have to wait for 3 minutes. You don't even have to wait for 3 seconds. You can do it immediately. You could have did it when you woke up this morning. You didn't even have to send me this. You could have sent me your lawsuit right then and there, and I would have responded back to you immediately, crushing your dreams. Because what I'm going to do to you, bro, is going to be unreal. I'm telling you, this is going to be legendary, monumental. Everybody's going to see this, and it's going to be so embarrassing to you, you're going to wish you never even spoke my name out of your mouth, brother. You wish you never brought that individual on. He set you up for failure. You guys about to be in for a rude awakening. I need you to do that immediately. So don't wait no longer. Do it now. Right now. Right now. Don't hold off right now. You can cut off this video. I know you're watching it, but cut off the video and do it now. But let's continue on. It states, I will have no choice but to pursue all available legal remedies to protect my rights, including filing a lawsuit against you. Brother, you don't even know how to file a bill of review, let alone filing a federal lawsuit. If you don't get these jailhouse lawyers out of here, bruh, you's an idiot. But let's continue. It states, I trust you will treat this matter with seriousness it deserves and comply promptly with my request. Brother, I'm treating it as extremely serious. You about to see how serious it's about to get for your ass. I'm telling you, it's about to be built to ass. I'm going to whoop you so bad in this court case, you going to wish you never, ever did anything. And after I win, if you don't pay up, bro, I'm putting liens on everything you own. Your house, your car, your clothes, your shoes, your socks, your kids, everybody I'm putting liens on, brother. I'm not playing with you. I'm going to ruin your life. You stepped up to the right person. I'm going to make a prime example out of you. And now you have to do it, Glenn Williams. Why? Because you sent me an email. So now you have to do it. If you don't do it, everybody going to know you're even more of a fraud and you're a sucker and you ain't ready for what's about to happen to you. So do it. I beg you to do it. Because I'm going to make a prime example out of you in this federal court case. Please do it. But let's continue. It states, sincerely, Glenn Williams, copywriter. Uh-oh. I said his name once. Let's say it 3 times. Maybe it'll appear like Candyman. Glenn Williams, Glenn Williams, Glenn Williams. I don't see him, guys. I don't see him. So each time I say it, now you have more reasons to ask for more money because I keep saying Glenn Williams, which is supposed to be a copyright name, guys. So I'm saying it again, Glenn Williams. That's 5, 6 times I've been saying it. Glenn Williams. I'm going to keep saying it. So it's going to make you even more mad. Child support joke. So now you can go in there and giving you all the reasons to file your suit because I'm waiting for it. So now, guys, that we went over his response. Now let's go over my response. Let's go there. Okay, guys. So this is my response back to him. It states what? Shalom. Do what you have to do, my brother. And I winked at him, letting you know you're digging another hole for yourself, but do what you have to do, my brother. Let's continue on. Then this homosexual fanboy going to blow me a kiss. Like, what's up with these cats, guys? I can't make this stuff up. I can't wait till he file this lawsuit. It's going to get surgical. But let's continue. Then he asked me, what's your full name? I say, you know my full name. Stop it. He act like my full name ain't on the document that I showed proof of. Like, this guy's an idiot. But let's continue. Let's go to the next one because I guess it cut off right there. So now let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is the remaining back and forth messages. I said, you know my full name. Stop it, like I just read. Then again, 10:04 a.m. he states, don't know anything about you, never heard about you in my life, and don't know you. Right? So I said, you're a fanboy. Stop it. You claim you don't know nothing about me, but you made a video about me, laughing this clown out. Do you guys see the contradictories in this statement already? If I'm embarrassing you on an email, just imagine what I'm going to do to you on some legal documents. I'm going to put belt to ass. Matter of fact, I'm putting one of them tree branches to ass, one of them old school weapons that your grandmother used to give you. Had you go out there and pick your own switch. So I'm gonna have you go out there and pick your own switch. So when you file your federal lawsuit, that's like you picking your own switch. And I'm gonna whoop your ass with that drink real bad. But let's continue. Then I stated, nigga, you a scam, and I exposed your fraud ass. Now you in my inbox talking about defamation lawsuit. Please file it so I can what? So I can embarrass you even more. The same thing I'm telling you right now. Please do it. So now, guys, let's break down his claims because he claimed that I defamed him. So he's trying to sue me for defamation, right? And he also trying to sue me for copyright infringement. And he also trying to sue me for slander. So let's go over the definition of those 3 words and see if he have a claim just by the definition alone. Let's go there, guys. Let's just do a quick overview of how I'm just going to break this thing down so simple. So if he ever try to file a lawsuit, it's going to get dark for him, guys. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so now as you all can see, we're coming from the 6th edition of the Black Laws Dictionary just to go with a few definitions to see if he have a claim, guys. So now let's scroll up, or scroll down, should I say, and it states what? Defamation, highlighted in yellow, and it reads, an intentional false communication. Okay, so my question to him is, what was false that I said? You haven't won child support. You can't show proof that you winning child support. So where's your claim at? What false statement did I make? You claim that you have private remedy. So if you filed a lawsuit claiming that I'm defaming you by saying that you were a fraud because you didn't win child support, now you have to file proof of you winning child support in public court, which is federal district court, which is a public court. So now when the judge asks for proof that you won and you cannot provide public remedy, then the judge is going to laugh you out. And then once he laughs you out, I'm going to file my counterclaim and I'm going to eat you alive. And it's going to be, that's it. And the moment you don't pay me, again, I'm going to put a lien on everything you own. Your socks, your drawers, everything. I'm putting a lien on everything, brother. Everything. Your roaches in your apartment, everybody's going to get lien on them. I'm going to expose your ass. But let's continue. It states, either published or publicly spoken that injures another's reputation or good name. Brother, you don't have a good reputation or a good name. I have so many emails of individuals who came to me after they dealt with you, who I'm going to put all that in there. It's a wrap for you. Please do it. I cannot wait to embarrass your ass. Okay, so now, guys, you see that claim automatically falls. So he won't win defamation because he don't have any evidence of proof that he won. Like he stated in the video of the last video I posted, when you win in the private, they don't give you anything, so the public won't know what you have done. So without any proof of you winning in the private, and you don't have no proof of you winning in the public, so it's proof that you didn't win anything. So that makes my statement true, not false. So again, you lose that one. But now let's go to slander and let's see if you can try to swam your little ass through there. Let's go there. Okay, so now as you all can see, we're still in the Black Law Dictionary 6th edition, but since he said I slandered him, let's go with the definition for slander, and it states, the speaking of base and defamatory words. We know defamation is what? False words, or basically telling a lie. Nothing I said was false or a lie. So he automatically lose slander. But let's continue. It states, tending to prejudice another in his reputation, community standing, office, trade, business, or means of livelihood. Case law to support that. Then it states what? Oral defamation. The speaking of false and malicious words concerning another. What false or malicious words that I spoke against you that was false? Nothing was false. You are a scam artist, brother. You haven't won a thing. So now you have to prove that you did win, which you cannot do. If you could have, you would have been did it, but you can't. And because you can't do it, now you lose defamation, you lose slander, and now your final option that you have that you can try to swindle through, but you're not going to get nowhere near get past anyways, is your bogus copyright claim. Why? Because you cannot copyright a name. You idiot. To further prove that, let's go to the definitions for copyright. Let's go there. Okay, so now as you all can see on the screen, we're coming right back from the Black Laws Dictionary. Let's pick this up at the very top where it states copyright, highlighted in yellow, and it reads, the right of literary property as recognized and sanctioned by positive law. So, bruh, your name is not literary property, and it's damn sure not recognized in positive law that you can copyright your name. So, again, you lose again. So, all three of your arguments, you fail to state a claim upon which really can be granted because you can't show proof of nothing. You can't show proof that you won your case. The whole point of that you're trying to sue me because you're trying to make it seem as though you did win your case, thinking you're going to intimidate me. Not knowing, bro, I really do this. This ain't no game to me. I will embarrass you in real life. Like, this is real life to me. And I'm going to show you how real it get out here. You're going to learn today. So, look, to further prove that his name is not literary property, let's go to the legal definition of literary. Let's go there. Okay, so now, as you all can see, we're still in the Black Law Dictionary 6th edition. Let's pick this up at the top where it states literary, and it reads, pertaining to what? Literature. Your name is not pertaining to literature. So because your name is not literature, it is not copyrighted. I don't give a damn about that common law nonsense. That stuff don't work in no courts. Nobody never won anything saying their name is copywritten. You don't have proof of that, and you can't provide proof of that. So I'm going to eat you alive in this case. But let's continue. It states connected with authors and the study or use of books and writings. It has nothing to do with your personal name, okay? You cannot copyright your personal name. Your personal name is not literature, okay? To further prove that, child support is using your name right now. Your name is on an actual court order. Sue the court. Matter of fact, sue the Child Support Enforcement Agency. Why not? Because you know you can't. But you think you're going to try to send me a bogus email, think you're going to shake me up? Negro, please. You don't know who I am. Nigga, I'm going to keep exposing you. My foot is way on your neck. Nigga, the moment they file for a show cause rule, I'm on your heels. Because they're going to come right at you. They on your heels, and you know it. Stop ducking, dodging, and hiding. You want child support, and I said them and keep saying it. So you don't have to wait no more. File your lawsuit so I can apply pressure. Man, believe me, I can't wait. I cannot wait right now. Y'all don't understand how much I can't wait. Because I'm going to document everything. His complaint, all that. We're going to see y'all trash this nigga right and everything. We're going to clown. We're going to clown you to death, brother. I cannot wait. But look, guys, that's all I'm going to do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up at my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Let's get this right wisdom, this right knowledge, and this right understanding. I have powerful testimonies coming up, guys. Watch what I show y'all. In this next testimony, you guys can be like, y'all is magnified. Hey, there is no other out there, man. I'm trying to tell you guys. I don't care who you can name. There is no other besides y'all is magnified showing this proof like this. Just hold your horses, guys. I cannot wait. But with that being said, you all be blessed out there. And I say shalom.